Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the beak of the owl. For the beak, you're going to start with a slip knot. Then you're going to do 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to do a double crochet on the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. So that will be this one. That will be my first double crochet. Now we're gonna do 2 more. On the next one, there's 1. And the next one, that will be 2 more. And you do a chain stitch, and then you cut your yarn, pull through, and there's your beak. What I do is that I hide the tails. See, and you have your beak there.